We're in the Latin Quarter right now, and I just ordered a roast pig, and Rena just ordered a rabbit. So we would try the rabbit first.
Rabbit with mustard sauce.
Is it mustard or Dijon?
Same thing.
Oh, it's pretty tough. It's pretty tough, I gotta say. The meat's definitely tough.
It's like chicken.
Yeah. Even tougher than chicken, I would say.
Not a fan?
No, it's good, but
Is it gamey?
I wouldn't say it's gamey. It tastes like if you were to microwave food about 3 days old.
So,
What's this? This potato, I guess.
Brady. Is that what's it called? Potato brady.
This one is what I'm looking forward to. Roast pork. Look at that slab of roast pork here. It's the skin that I love. Okay.
Like
Much softer. Let's get some skin in there.
Hear the crunch.
Yeah.
It should be crunchy.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Right, I'm really looking forward to my rabbit now.
This is really good. We're here right now at the Latin Quarter, and we just had lunch. Let me show you around. Down there. Here. Heading to Mount Michel Fountain. It's right here. And then walking over. There's the metro stop. Lots to see here. And over here is the Notre Dame Cathedral.